Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Nextdoor application. Now, if you use your web browser, simply type in nextdoor.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nextdoor website, and if you're logged into your account already, you will be taken to the dashboard. Once you end up on your dashboard, look for your account icon at the top right corner and click on it. Once you do this, you will see a drop-down menu. Now, from the drop-down menu, click on View Profile, and this will take you into your profile settings page. Now, underneath your name, you will find a gear icon. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will see several options. From these options, hover over to Appearance and click on it, and now you can select from dark mode or light mode. Simply click on the dark mode option and you will immediately see the application and website interface change into dark mode. You can come back to this setting anytime and select your desired mode by simply clicking on it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to set up dark mode on Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.